So you're planning on making a move to Houston, but don't know where to stay at. Hey guys, my name is Ken and this is...
My name is Tia.
And today we're going to be going over Sunset Crossing, one of the communities located in Rosenberg. Now this community has a lot of things happening. We have home prices starting from $300,000 going all the way to the $400,000 range, and they're opening a new division that could potentially be under $300,000. So if you guys want to grab all the information about this community, how it's being developed, be sure to watch to the end of the video. And if you guys have plans on buying, selling, or relocating to the Houston area, hit us up. All right, let's go check out the first home over there. Welcome to our first home. Right when you guys come on in, on the left-hand side is 3 bedrooms and 1 shared bathroom. 2 of those bedrooms facing the front of the home. And as we make our way to the center point of the home, we have our living room, open concept kitchen space, connecting to the breakfast/dining area. Throughout this home, they have sheet vinyl, 9-feet ceilings, quartz countertop, and 42-inch cabinets. All homes in this neighborhood comes with a back patio. So, what do you guys think? This model is called the Dean. It's a 1-story, 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1885 square feet, priced at approximately $311,000. Now, if you guys like this model and the other models that we're gonna record later, be sure to hit us up fast, because this section and this area is closing out, meaning that they're not gonna build any more homes here. So feel free to reach out to our team or Tia.
It's an open floor concept. Over here you have your kitchen, your island, you have your really nice big island, you have a walk-in pantry. This is your living area, and this is your formal dining. And like I said, this is the bonus room. This is your study, and right off here you have your primary bedroom. We're gonna go in here and take a quick look. Our amazing designer set everything up to give you a nice visual of how the room was set up, and you can see it's pretty big to fit a nice king-size bed. And in here you have your bathroom. And this is a tub shower combo, and you have 2 closets in here. You have a his and her closet, or maybe it's just hers, who knows. So you have one over here and you have one back here, much bigger closet. Both sides are both walk-in closets, really good size, really spacious. Okay, so the HOA here is $700 a year. That's for your swimming pool and your playground, and your tax is $2.97 before exemptions.
All right, guys, we arrived at the next home. Let's go check it out now. Walk with me. Once you walk into the second home, you're gonna have soaring ceilings. Your staircase is on your left-hand side, and on your right-hand side will be a nice, cozy office space. As you make your way towards the living area, you're gonna have that high ceiling again. As for flooring, you have a luxury vinyl. The kitchen has laminate 42-inch cabinets and quartz countertops. All right guys, enjoy the rest of the showing. So, what do you guys think? This is called the Lanchester. It's a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2935 square feet. And if you guys need an additional bedroom, they could do that. A price for a home like this, you're looking at approximately $450,000. But they're doing a huge price reduction. So you can get a home like this for under just about $400,000. So now we're in DR Horton's sales office, and this is the map of the community. So we're located right here at Sunset Crossing. Across the street, they have a commercial area where they have a gym, breakfast areas, and a bunch of empty spots. So if you guys are planning on building a business, a good place to have a business will be right there. Up here, we have the Brazos Town Center. So they have a bunch of shopping, restaurants, and everything that you need up here too. Is really convenient and close by. Our closest freeway would be the 6959, and that goes all the way to downtown Houston. You can conveniently drive that, and it's gonna take you approximately 35-40 minutes to get down there. As for schools, we have Cora Thomas Elementary School, Harry Wright Junior High School, and Dr. Thomas E. Randall High School. For school rating, they're approximately 7 out of 10. As for incentives, you guys already know it. They have a 5.5% interest rate lock up to 5.75%, which is really good during this time of high interest rates. As for closing costs, they pay back $7,500 for your closing costs, as well as a title policy, which is typically another $1,000, $2,000. With that, it comes with an appliance package, refrigerator, washer, dryer, sprinkler system, and much, much more. So if you guys want the most up-to-date information for incentives, be sure to hit me up or Tia. Well guys, that's Sunset Crossing for you guys. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Yes, no, give us a thumbs up, thumbs down if you guys don't like it. And if you guys have plans on relocating to the Houston area or Rosenberg area in Sunset Crossing, reach out to Tia. We'd love to help on out. Okay guys, the Unparalleled team, out.